Hello everyone, this is Vincent Martone here at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'll be walking you through a 2021 250 SDX Outboard by Sea Ray. This particular 250 SDX has the 250 horsepower Mercury. And something that has made the 250 SDX so popular these past 2 years is this feature right here, the convertible rear lounger. It's something that can only be found on the outboard version of this boat. Check this out. So when you're parked out for the day at the sandbar, you have all this usable space in the back, and you still have the convenience and maintenance-free outboard engine, okay? As we walk forward into the cockpit, you'll notice we have the GPS Simrad Geo 9. And something different about the 25 SDX is also the portside walkthrough. Since you have that portside walkthrough, it creates a very large and spacious head and storage compartment. Outfitted with cushions, flip down cover for your head. Follow me up into the bow. Plenty of seating up here for probably 3 or 4 of your best friends, your family members. This one also has a tower so you can ski behind it. And check out the photos below, guys. This one is done in the Neo Mint Green, which is a beautiful, beautiful color. Shows very well on this boat. If you'd like to hear more about this particular boat or any of our other boats that we have here at MarineMax in Clearwater, make sure you visit our website, www.marinemax.com. You can call my personal phone, 803-760-0609. Don't forget, if you're watching this on YouTube, hit that like and subscribe button. Give me a call.